Hello and welcome to Clown Cam TV, the excellent name I've chosen for a selection of clips from my dash cam. It's very important that we do this right now. This guy on the right parking on the pavement, brilliant, well done. Double yellow line parked on the pavement. Doesn't count apparently if your wheels aren't actually touching the double yellow. This guy on the left now, parked on the zigzags by a zebra crossing, completely obscuring one of the crossing points, which is just dumb. A couple of clowns on foot here. Picking this place because it is the most difficult place to cross because everyone's looking in different directions, not expecting you to walk out like a couple of melons. Well done, thanks lads. Good job. And now, just a little bit of patience is all that was required here. That guy coming around there is perfectly fine, but the two cars afterwards, not so much. Look at him sneaking round, sneaky whatsits. You're basically just driving at oncoming traffic at this point, aren't you? What a bunch of tools. Bit of nighttime clownery here. Person parked on the pavement there. Just, you're making people walk round the car that's parked on the pavement into the road to get into the way of other cars. This is a classic spot for this kind of clownery. Yeah, there we go. I'm just going to drive here because I want to. Don't even care what's going on behind me. Never had an accident. Seen thousands in the rearview mirror. And there's a guy overtaking a cyclist. Oh, brown pants, that one. Goodness me. The only way that person could have avoided hitting the oncoming traffic if the person with the car, if we hadn't slowed down there, was by crashing into either the person coming the other way or the cyclist. Excellent. Well done. That was fabulous. I think that's probably the clown of the week, that last one there. In fact, let's watch it again. Oh, here we go. Oh, slow-mo. Ah. Phew. Definitely clown of the week, that one. See you next time.